Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows activation error 0xC004F211 on Windows level Pro version. In this video, before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these two steps. Let's go ahead that first step. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem solve. Let's go ahead that first step, Windows update troubleshoot. So go to the Windows search bar and type settings, then click to open, then go to the search bar, type Windows update troubleshoot. Just click on this, then click on the next. Then it is detecting problems, so you will wait it. After it will show your errors. Just you have to restart the computer and then try running Windows update again. Just next to close it, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart update and restart button. Click to restart your system. Then go to your Windows search bar and type settings. You will click to open, then go to that Windows update tab, then just you can click to update the latest version. Once you will update, then come to back, then go to restart your system again, check it your Windows update. Sometimes this method works, just try it. If this still does not working, then go to the next step, command promote. So we need Windows search bar and type cmd, right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then inside command type this command provided in this video description, then copy to paste. The key management service management name set is successfully finished. Just hit the OK to save, then come to back, then go to the next command, then copy again, go to that paste, just hit the enter, then process will come to successfully the product activated successfully. Then just hit the OK to close it, then exit. After that it will have solved this problem. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.